Hi, this is Sharon Stanley from Creative Hands. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how I earned $16,000 from Fiverr. If you don't know what is Fiverr, it's a great freelancing platform, where you can do any kind of work and get paid. I used to make After Effects tutorials, and do freelancing, so I thought of sharing my tips and tricks for other freelancers too. I have 30 points to share. I don't think I can share all 30 points in one video. So let's start with the first 5 points. Point 1. Learn the skill first. You might be a graphic designer, animator, web designer, app developer, or into any other field. So if you are a new freelancer and trying to find freelance work from Fiverr, or any other freelancing platform, the first thing you need to have is required skills to do the job, because someone trusted you with their work, and looks forward to getting the quality output. So don't think you can get the job, and learn along the way of doing the project. Of course, that will work when you have good knowledge in the particular field, and you have not used or not familiar with some particular technique, then you can learn it along the way. But if you do not have the confidence, then you have to wait, and learn. You have to try making some portfolios. After you have developed the good skills, you can proceed, because the first impression is the best impression. You have to have 5-star rating on your first project, and a good feedback, because that's gonna bring more clients to you. Second point, patience. You need to have patience until you land on the first job. Well, I waited for 6 months to get my first job in Fiverr. Don't give up, just keep learning something new every day. It might feel like a waste of time, but it's not. Third point, keep updating your gig. While you wait for your first project, you can update your gig. Keep updating the thumbnail and sample video. You can see other freelancers' gig for reference. Eventually, you will get your chance. Fourth point, information is the key. Once you landed on the first job, be calm. Yeah, you can be excited, but not too much. Just kidding. But be calm, and clearly understand what is your client need, and what is all the information you would need to get started. Get the sample work for your reference. That's important. Ask him what is his inspiration. Ask him what he wants to convey. Ask your client's idea or vision for the project. If you start working without knowing these, you will end up doing more revisions. For the worst case, it may lead to cancellation, or poor rating and feedback. So you need to understand his vision and how he expects the final result to be. Once you understand, you can get started. Fifth point, reduce revisions. So revisions happen when the client does not like the end result you delivered. Some revisions are easy. He may ask you to change the simple thing. You can do it easily. But what if he asks you to change the whole design? What if he does not like anything at all? So it may happen if you don't follow the fourth point I said. But even though you got all the information and started the work, my best advice is to send him a draft work or a sample version. I do lyric videos, so I used to send 30 seconds sample animation, to know what my client think. If he says he doesn't like it, I can easily change it. If he likes it, you can proceed confidently. Bonus point. Ask more delivery time. If a client needs work, and you estimated that it will take 1 week to finish the project, ask him 2 weeks to finish it. Because believe me, that's a lifesaver. Fiverr is strict with delivery time. You need to deliver on time, otherwise it will affect your on-time delivery percentage. So ask more time, and deliver it in 1 week, as you estimated before. You know what? Client will love it. He will be happier, because he thinks you delivered 1 week ahead, and I bet he is gonna give one hell of a feedback and rating. Of course, if he likes the final out. This is some basic advice I can give you guys for starting. Soon I will post some advanced tips and tricks to be successful on Fiverr. If you are an animator who uses After Effects, feel free to take a look at my tutorials. I post unique tutorials. Guys, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.